Welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing us here on YouTube or in any of our social media, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. So in today's topic, we are going to show you on how you can work from home. If you are looking for a way to work from home, a website that will be paying you, and you have been searching for it for so long, today you watching the video, you are on the right place. This website that I'm going to show you now, you are going to provide your bank account. You make sure that you have a bank account. The name of the account, you are going to bring it, your account number, the things that is needed, your account number, the name of your account, your name, your username, then your surname. That is all. That the thing that you are going to provide. Then after you have provided this thing, in this website they are going to give you two options when you have registered for the website. In these two options, the first one, you have just an honorary member that you can pay the tax, but you are not allowed to post job. The first one that you are allowed to pay only tax, you are going to sign in with just 5,000 naira. Then the second one, you are allowed to pay some tax and you are also allowed to post job. Then the second one is 15,000 naira. The one of the 5,000 naira, you are allowed to pay some tax. People that are already on that 15,000, they will upload job. Then you that is on the 5,000, your own is just to go there and pay this tax. And this tax is not hard. It's just for you to like picture, to share picture, to watch video. That is all. And they are going to be paying you. Any video that you like, any picture that you like, any video that you watch, they are going to be paying you for this. And if you are on the 15,000, which is the 15,000 plan, you are allowed to pay on all the tasks, and you are also allowed to place your own job in it. And there are many things that you are allowed to do in this 15,000 as an affiliate marketer or affiliate marketing. You are allowed to post your job. So let me direct you on how you can do this. You can see on my screen here, this is my browser. You are going to enter your browser. You are going to enter the browser now. So I'm going to type. You can see I'm going to type now. I'm going to type on my screen the website. I'm going to type OwoDaily.com. You can see on the screen. You can see on my screen here that I've typed OwoDaily.com. Then after you have typed it, you send it. You are going to send it. You can see on my screen that is loading. You can see on my screen that is loading. Then when you have typed it, you can see here OwoDaily.com. You see the first option here. You see the first option. You touch it. You can see on my screen that this is OwoDaily.com. And in this, you can see this is the main menu for the app, where they are going to be paying you. That when you like picture, you watch video, then you subscribe to channel, you like Facebook page, you subscribe to YouTube channel. Any of this is very simple. It's just for you to sign in between the two, the one of 15,000 or the one of 5,000, and it's only ones that you are going to sign this. After you have signed the one of 5,000 or 15,000, you are going to make use of this website in lifetime. You are going to make use of this website in lifetime. You are not going to provide any other money again. The more tax you pay, the more money that they are going to be giving you. And in a week, if you focus on this website, in a week you are going to get no less than 5,000 naira in a week if you focus on this website. And this website is paying me every day because I'm paying some tax to the website, liking video, watching video, comment, share video on different social media. then after I've done the task, they will pay me. So you too can still do it. You touch this, can see this particular place, this three dot here, this three line here, you are going to touch it. You touch the three line. So after you have done this, that is where you are going to register for the website. So I'm touching it now. You can see it has opened. You can see the first one here is showing that get started, the second one sell, then the other one FAQ, then the other one D. You can see it there. Then you are going to touch on this first one here if you want to register as a member, or as a which is OwoDaily member, or as OwoDaily member plus. This is where you are going to go. So I'm going to touch it for you to see. So let me touch it. That it float like this. Then you scroll it down. You can see here one membership or limited possibility. Our premium membership offer members access to find micro job, hire micro influencer, and promote product and service as an affiliate. If you're an affiliate, you can promote your product and service through this place here. So we aim to support the growth of digital entrepreneurs throughout Africa. You'll get access to our academy to learn digital marketing skill, and then utilize to get started earning as a micro influencer, affiliate, or by hiring targeted member. If you want to bring as an affiliate, you bring member. That's what I told you the other time, like for you to for the other people to hire you. No, it's 50,000 lowest. Then you see it here, optimized earning from the hiring target member for performance and affiliate related. Then the other one here, you see all members get cash back on listed offer on the network. They are going to be paying you. They are going to be paying you, and that 50,000 that you are going to charge the person that is hiring you as an affiliate is not this website is not going to collect anything. They are only going to collect from the charges, which is the one that you are going to pay those workers. And for you to pay those workers, then it's just 20. If you are taking the one of 1,000 subscribers that you want 1,000 people to like a page, it's just only 22,000. You are done with it. The remaining 28,000 is your gain. You can see it here. So in all this, you can see the job that is done, cooperative job, which is cooperative micro job. You can see it 97%. Hiring micro influencer 92. These people, they are the one that have been working. They bring job into this website and they pay people in the tax that they have been doing, and they get their huge money there. Promoting affiliate offer. If you want to promote your product, you promote your product through this website, and many people are going to be engaging to it. Selling digital offer. This is where you can also sell your product here. You can sell products in this particular place here. And if you want to post any news on Vanguard, like Vanguard, news, any of these newspaper that you know that is popular in this country, if you want to make your news, you want to make any news on this, any of this, you can still use this website to do it. It's very simple as ABCD. See this particular one here. It's showing free account. This is where you create it. You can create it today if you don't have the money to fund your account, which is the one of the 5,000 or the 15,000. If you don't have any of this yet, you can open the account today. When you have opened it, then you fund it anytime that you have the money, like tomorrow. But to me, I advise you to fund your account today, so that you will start gaining from the day you fund your account. From the day that your account has been activated, you start hailing from the website. So you can see it here. Let me take it down so you see it. The free account, you can see when you have registered, new day update, community access, weekly newsletter. So you sign up. When you have signed up, then you are going to require, but to me, you take it down, which is the membership. This is the membership here. This is where you are going to be paying tax. You are going to like video, you are going to watch video, you are going to subscribe, you are going to follow Facebook page, or you like Facebook page, you follow person on Twitter, you follow, you subscribe on Instagram, Twitter, any of these social media, TikTok, you subscribe or you like or you watch any of this, and they are going to be paying you, but you are not going to bring job from outside and post for it because you are on a membership, just only membership. Sign up here. But if it's the one of the 15,000 in lifetime, so you can see it, the one of the 15,000 here, you see it here, that after you have registered with the 15,000, you are going to be liking video, watching video, comment, subscribe, like, and they are going to be paying you for that. And you can still tell people that you can charge them. You can charge people that you promise them to give them 1,000 like to their Facebook page, or to their Instagram, or to their Twitter, or to their YouTube, any of those social media, TikTok. Then you promise them and they pay you, and you bring the job here. Where you have break the job here, you post the job and you deliver what you told them, and the remaining money is yours. Up here you touch on this arrow here. Then when you have touched it, I'm going to touch it now. You can see I've touched it. You can see here that own a digital product, ebook, course or SaaS, hire influencer and affiliate to grow brand and sell. So you can see we bring together new and existing business leader interested in performance marketing with top performance affiliate having established. You see here. So I'm not going to waste time, just go straight to the point. So we are committed to serving you and being a part of your journey to help others build their own profitable online business. So let's get started promoting your deal. You can see here. So you sign up. You can see this is the website. Then you are going to sign up. You touch on this let's get started. By the time I'm going to post the website, the link where you can go to the direct website. I'm going to post it there when you can go to the direct website. So you can see this is the website now. This is the website. You scroll it down, which is your OwoDaily partner, OwoDaily registration. Then partner application is for members only. For print sign up to get started. So in this particular place, you can see the one full name. You put your full name, the first one here, the second one your username, the name that you know that you are going to be using to be logging in as your username. You put it there. Then you put your email address. This particular one here. Then after you have put your email address there, you see the second one, you see the other one here, password. You set your password. Then you put your phone number. You can change your country, any country that you came from. You see Cameroon, Canada, Cote d'Ivoire, then Ghana, Kenya, different countries. You can see the one of Nigeria there, Uganda, United States, United Kingdom. You see all these are the area that this website is operating to and is operating from. All these countries that you are seeing here, there are many people that are in this country that have already registered in this website, and they are making money every day by day. So after you have set the country, you insert your phone number. Then if you are a man, you insert as a male. If you are a woman, you insert as a female. Then after that you select your country here. You select your country. Then date of birth, you set your date of birth. Make sure that everything is right with your details in your bank account, because you are not allowed to provide any wrong details, because they are going to be paying you direct. So if you provide any wrong details, they may send the money to any other account, and it's going to cause confusion. So if you don't need any confusion, you provide the rightful details. So you insert your state, the bank name. If you are operating in bank, if you are operating in First Bank, after you have set the account number, you can see it here, account name. You put the account name, you select the bank that you are using, that you want them to be paying you to, that you want them to send your money to. After you have worked, they are pay you, and when you have reached the limit for you to withdraw, then they are going to sell the bank that you select from here. The name of the bank that you select, that is the bank that they are going to send the money to. Then you send the account number here. You can see it here. Then you touch the agree. After you have touched the agree, then you complete you touch corporate registration. After you have corporate registration, then you check your email address. You check your email address, you confirm the email address. After you have confirmed your details, you log in again. You log in, enter the website, the password and your username. You log in and you see the instruction there how you can forward your account. After you have forwarded it, then you are fully a member or a OwoDaily member plus. That is how you do it. So if you like this video and this is your first time and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.